Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Emily from Corpse Bride and Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. You can choose all these hairstyles and you're going to color it with this gray color and put on this flower crown, make it no spikes and make it gray. Okay, and then you're going to put on this corset. You're going to make it this color for the first selection, the second selection, and for the third selection make it this color. Okay, and then you're going to put on this corset as well. You're going to make it to go one, and again you're going to color it with white gray color. Alright, and then I'm going to put on this stocking. Okay, then I'm going to go to this area and put on this heels. I'm going to make it this white color, and I'm going to go to this area and put on this flower. We're going to make it one arm and make it gray, light gray and dark gray. Just combine those colors. Okay, I'm going to make it this gray, and for the fifth selection. Alright, and I'm going to go to the dressing room and I'm going to put on this skirt from the Withered Rose set. Choose only skirt, and then you're going to apply the same white color. Okay, and I'm going to put on this dress. You're going to make it white. Okay, like this. Make it white for all the selections. And then I'm going to select this dress, make it skirt only, and apply the same white color. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.